What's up, guys? Metra MP36 422 production. Excuse me. We have outbound train 2143 coming into Grayslake. Could be a double engine, usually is. And I think it is. Yup, I'm right. Double engine. It's really weird why they run double engines on this train only. It's not really that crowded. Not that I know of. It hasn't been crowded the past few times I've been here filming. But they always seem to run a double engine, so whatever. Not really that packed. And this has been a Metra MP36 422 production. We'll see you next time. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends to subscribe too. It'll mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, make sure to drop a like down below. Once again, this has been a Metra MP36 422 production. We'll see you next time.